Parliamenti yagaruka mu kushutama bwanyuma yo kumara kiire bari omu kihumuro na bwanyuma minisita w'enshonga z'ebyokwerinda Honorable Jacob Oboth yayanjura abanyishenjero biri ya UPDF Amendment Bill 2025 kandi yasindukwa omu bukiiko bw'ishenjero oburumwa k'ebiragiro hamwe n'ak'ebyokwerinda okubasa kubana obukora aha mpindahinduka omu biro egi nk'oku baramuzi baragiire omu ncwamu y'omushango gwa Honorable Michael Kabazuguruka ogu yahabibire gavumenti kandi abaramuzi ba Supreme Court bakashaba kuhagira empindahinduka ezakozirwe omu kooti y'amahe abantu ba buriijo abarikugyesibwa omu kooti egi hamwe n'ebindi.
I beg to move that the bill entitled the Uganda People's Defence Forces Amendment Bill 2025 be read for the first time.
Thank you. Pursuant to 29(1) of the Rules of Procedure, the bill stands referred to Committee of Defence and Internal Affairs and the Committee of Legal and Parliamentary, and in furtherance to Rule 200, Sub-Rule 3 of Rules of Parliament, the chairperson of Legal and Parliamentary Affairs is hereby designated to chair the joint committee.
Bitina bwanyuma abanyishenjero kuruga harubaju rukuhakanisa gavumenti barabura abandi banyishenjero abebine bindi okukyendesereza aha mpindahinduka ziri omu iteeka eri ngu nabo niribasa kubatwarana.
Kitusinga okuwakanya kubanga kooti z'amagye zize zikozesebwa okutulugunya abantu abatawagira gavumenti eno nti ono awakanya gavumenti gabo mwalaba ono bukyagula nyali malwa ne bakwate mundu ne baziteeka mu kisenge kye ne bagamba nti zine mundu yabadde nazo tutwala mu kooti maasho
kati abo boso abawuba amakooti wano nga kayiniro gaba batumi musabe bulamu gyagenda okulya nti boso bamusibye ali mu kooti maasho twasangayo Samuel Ngola minisita mweno gavumenti ya Museveni ekiseera kye baadde bawozesa Besigye nga naye ayinayo omwanyina ali mu kooti maasho alajana. So nsuubira nti babaka ba palamenti bana abalimuko amagezi niwe gaba ga kitundu buli omu ateeka okulwanyisa etteeka lino nga talirwanyisa ku lwa muntu mulala wabula alirwanyisa ku lulwe.
Omurushitama nirwo rumwe sipiika w'ishenjero yayoreka okwetombiita aha kitongole ky'enguuto okuremwa kukora emirimo yakyo nk'okuyinura yabiire erikukora.
We've noted with a lot of concern what is happening with the roads in Uganda. Of recent, we've had a lot of accidents. The worst one that we had was this recent one of one of the business young men, Rajiv, that happened on Kampala Express Highway. The contractors have been given work. The contractors put blocks on the road without any sign that there is a blockage on the road. They remove at leisure and put at leisure. There's been a problem, and the fact that we rationalized UNRA, we thought would really have some kind of efficiency in works.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano abwa Tayari West omuri Kampala.